What's up everyone, I'm Jessie and I'm here at the Harley-Davidson studio. Today I'm going to show you one of our best sellers, the Capstone Sunshield 2 H31 Modular Helmet. This helmet has a sleek modular design with the flip-up chin and drop-down sunshield. The exterior construction is made of a lightweight polycarbonate composite shell using advanced CAD technology. Not only is this helmet lightweight, it's extremely comfortable and provides an excellent fit. You'll also stay cool with its super cool moisture-wicking interior, 2 intake vents and 1 exhaust vent. The helmet is secured with a double D-ring strap. If you wear glasses, you'll appreciate the integrated grooves on the interior pads, so you can wear your glasses with ease. Shield replacement is super easy with the rapid-fire shield replacement system. The shield ratchet system allows for toolless installation and removal. The anti-fog lens provides 99% UV protection. One of the standout features on this helmet is the integrated black dark smoke sunshield. It is easily deployable with the new wire operation system and easy to reach lever. Additionally, this helmet is compatible with the Smart HJC comm system and includes Bluetooth communication speaker pockets. Bluetooth device is sold separately. The Capstone Sunshield 2 H31 Modular Helmet is available in sizes ranging from extra small through 2XL. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. That's it from me, your favorite Australian. I'll see you again next time.